Hello everybody, today I'm going to take you through one of the trades I prepped for in the weekend, and this is a S&P Haywood inside daybreak. Okay, so we're looking at the SPOO daily chart here, and you can see the market's made this double bottom, it's then bid up, and it's sort of like flagging, bidding, flagging, bidding, flagging. To me, it's sort of starting to look a little bit tight, like it's still having to spend quite a long time going sideways just to make not a lot of gain, right, as it keeps going up. And what's really key here is the fact that we've got this inside day here, so Thursday and Friday from last week. So that was the sort of key idea behind the setup. Now, if we dig into this just a little bit more, we can see, this is a 5-minute chart, I'll just zoom it out a little bit. So you can see there's Thursday's cash, Friday's cash, and then here's where we opened on Sunday. And so then the market sort of did this bit of sideways, and then the European Open this morning, the market broke the highs, failed and came back, and then sold off into the US Open down here, pulling back to the inside day high for the actual cash open. And so we'd had this rejection of the top, and now we were in this perfect opportunity, to look for a short play, potentially move back through the inside day. I actually thought we might go right through, but we didn't. But anyway, it gave the perfect access here for this open drive. We're going to watch that now on the ladder. Okay, so you can see my ladders now. The S&P is the third from the left. Okay, so we're 3 seconds off the cash open. And that's there, you see we ticked up with a couple of lots and then immediately driving like a couple of hundred lots, couple of hundred lots, couple of hundred lots. I ticked in there at 37s, and you can see it had one go at rotating up and then again just selling straight down, and there's lots of selling pressure here. And so you can see I can have a really tight stop and this market just keeps driving low. I really should have entered with a bit more size, but obviously I was trying to enter into the blend as well, so I wanted to be careful. And you can see we just keep selling down, there's like good 100-lot clips coming up, and yeah, we're getting a really nice flow in this market, and there's that steady selling pressure. Then I went to go add there, and I actually thought, okay, I really like this. I'd rather try find something a bit more structured rather than just kind of chase the market down. So I took that order out. But yeah, really ideally you would have just put 2 clips on at the start, because it's just such a great opportunity. Okay, so we're going to look at one more bit of price action. This is also on the S&P, and like I said when I went through the idea that I thought it could actually slice the whole inside day, this offer. And so then I wanted to look for a place to play continuation. You can see on the bottom right, I've got this 1-minute chart, and the market had kind of like flagged just off the lows. I thought, okay, if I can get short here, stop above that flag and look for a continuation. And so what we're going to do is just look at the price action that we've got. And so you can see here, really what I needed was like an offer to come in. But if I just talk through what we're seeing, well, okay, there's a little bit of buying there at 32 and a quarter. Now into 32 and a half. And so 32 and a half is taking bid. There was a couple of hundred lots traded there. You're taking bid again. And so obviously we're not seeing any selling, right? Since I started talking, the market has only gone a tick or two higher. And now there's a really small offer at 32 and 3/4. 200 lots are bought there, then the 33s are taking bid. And so I'm about to be stopped out, and you see I got stopped out and into the high tick, a couple of hundred lots, another couple of hundred lots, another couple of hundred lots, and then slammed back down. And so the market ticked that high. There was a bit of buying. So before, there was just a buyer in the market, like the seller was being like really passive, or kind of like just waiting, and then as soon as the market came up, it found a seller who absorbed, and then immediately selling came in, and then we actually saw the flow. And so it was just really key there just to wait, because I had the setup, I just didn't have the flow,